join anyone on Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to join anyone on your Roblox account. So first of all, just simply open your Roblox account and log into your account using your credentials. And once you're there, so just simply search for the person you want to join in the Roblox. And you can also select the person from your friend list and person that you are following. And if you don't have someone, just simply search for their username. And after that, just simply go ahead and join them. As soon as you click on their profile, you will be able to see the join option you will be able to see the join tab in the green form. You will be able to see the green tab which says join. Just simply tap on it and you will be able to join the person quite easily. But if you don't find the join option in their account, and if you want them to join, you can there is a possibility. And if that they have enabled their settings in order to join in order to make people join. For example, if you see the settings option in the privacy section in your account, that who can join me in experiences. So if someone has kept it private if someone has kept it to no one, won't be able to see the option of join in their account. For example, I have kept it on friends and user I follow. So if I keep it on everyone, then everyone who is but if I kept it on everyone, so anyone can join me in my Roblox, but I have kept it to my friends and user only. So if you're following someone and you don't find the join button there in their account, just simply ask them to enable this setting, and after that you will be able to join them quite easily. So this is basically how you will be able to join anyone on Roblox. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.